Let's make some garlic parmesan roasted broccoli. Super simple recipe. We've preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We've got some fresh broccoli here. We're going to have about 2 florets. We want a total of 6 to 8 cups. Ours is a little bit smaller here just because it's just Mom and I, but we're going to say 6 to 8 cups. Put that on the sheet pan. Then we're going to take and cover that with roughly 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're doing this so we don't make much of a mess here. Just kind of toss that all together. We're then going to take 1/2 of teaspoon of black pepper. Kind of toss that over everything. Our garlic powder, we're going to use 1½ teaspoons. Sea salt. We're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. We'll take our hands, we're just going to mix that all together again. It's kind of our little melting pot. You're going to have some of those spices on the bottom of your pan, just rub it all together, mix it all together. It's going to cook in that. Bunch it up a little bit. We've got some Parmesan cheese. We're going to use roughly 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to turn these right side up because I want that Parmesan cheese to stick to it. The tops of it. Cover those with Parmesan cheese. We're going to put this in the 400 degree oven and we're going to bake it from 12 to 16 minutes. Right, we're going to pull it out. As you can tell, there's just a little bit of darkness from the spices, but also to where it's been roasted. Easy, super simple, delicious recipe. Give it a try.